be on the lookout for that. Hit the notification bell, and then we're going to start talking about Tesla now. So this is the position that I have on Tesla. It is a bearish position, and it is a call credit spread. What does that mean? A call credit spread is essentially when you sell a call and then you buy a call, which is a bearish position because the call that you sold is worth more money than the call that you bought. The call that you bought is a bullish position, but the calls that you sold is a bearish position worth more money. So if the stock closes below $720, which is what I sold it at, I will end up making in total about $225. It's a very, very small trade. So the reason I took this trade, and we're going to talk about Tesla here now, but the reason I took this trade is because, like we were speaking about earlier, is this resistance point that we had here. So earlier this morning, we were talking about this resistance point basically between $710 up to $730. And now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see twice we have rejected on this resistance. So we have one rejection here, and you're also going to notice that we have another rejection point here. So at this moment, 2 rejections. We also saw the market reject a bit today. We're currently holding underneath $708. And if you remember this morning, we said that if we were to close under 710 today, 710 tomorrow, there is a decent chance that we're going to see a drop back down to 650, maybe even 648, which would be about a 10% fade from here. Now, with me selling a covered call and buying a call above it, so doing a call credit spread, what this means is that I'm going to make money in 3 different ways. I will make money if Tesla drops. I will make money if Tesla sits sideways. I will make money if Tesla pushes up, but then ultimately closes under $720. The downside to this is the fact that if Tesla were to like crash, which I don't think is going to happen, but if it were to crash to $600, I am only going to make $225. I'm capping out the amount of money that I can actually make, which is a lot of reasons why people don't do this type of trading system. So this is the position I currently have. I don't think we're going to close over 720 by this Friday, but I'm not risking a ton of money, which is something I want you guys to understand and I want you to realize. But at this very moment, Tesla has rejected. We are under this resistance line. It's not for sure that we're not going to be able to pop back up tomorrow, but at this moment we are under, and that's why I currently have this position. Now let's take a look at Tesla today as far as an options standpoints considered. You can see $52 million worth of calls. However, we only ended up having a very small amount that was actually confirmed bullish. And you can see this down below. It's nowhere to be in the top. Most active puts was Tesla with 40.22 million. And if we look at the bearish flow, once again, not enough here to even be shown in the top 5. We saw those unusual flows come through on Tesla earlier this morning. Since then, nothing crazy really happened. We had a dark pool come through at close, which was 1.29% of the day's average volume, but nothing really significant. At this point, if you are a Tesla bull, what you want to see is a push up tomorrow over $710 and the ability to hold here. Looking at the 65-minute chart as well, we could end up seeing this act as a support tomorrow around $700, even around $699 and $696. This support would have to come in order for us to push back up, get through 726 and even higher, because the one thing that you're going to note here is that this is the 200-day SMA we were talking about as a resistance. If you're part of our Discord community in the free Tesla chat, I was talking about that 200-day SMA resistance today. So as far as Tesla's considered, those are the levels that I'm watching. I still have my Tesla shares long term, but I stuck this small little trade in here just as a way to show somebody how you could make some money profiting on the downside. Hopefully it works out. If not, we'll see what happens.